Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and again today, Tina's Reborns and More and I have a collab where we took a Samantha, a miniature American Girl Samantha, and set her up to be Wednesday Addams. I am a Wednesday Addams fan, but my Wednesdays are the 1960s TV show, which came from the 1938 cartoons, newspaper cartoons of the Addams. Uh-oh, she dropped her thing. I want to show you that. Darren printed this. Isn't this the same pattern as you use for my 18-inch?
It is.
If you haven't seen my 18-inch American Girl that Tina and I each did, there is a video for that, but I want to show you how I made her outfit. I use this pattern quite often. It was a free pattern out on the internet called All Spruced Up for Skipper. It's no longer out there. However, we have it, and because the website and everything's gone, we're going to put this up on our site. It is not there yet, dollsrescue.com, but it will be. This is such a good, it's not just for Skipper. This is a great size for Blythe, and you can make it any length. I make shirts out of it too. It's got the little collar, the cuff, the sleeve, very versatile. And I have taken this pattern, oh my God, I've done this so many times I couldn't even tell you, and made it in to fit other dolls. I used it, I took it down for a junior high Rainbow High doll, and that's what I use. That pattern is what I use to make my little American Girl miniature. Now this is the whole dress. That's how little they are. This is about the length of a Blythe shirt, but this is the American Girl, and I went ahead and made it on the fold. I made my pattern on the fold, and that's how I'll cut it out most of the time. But why I did that was so that I can make a different collar and scale it down. So I made the pattern and the skirt, and then I made sleeves that their arms would go through. So I opened up the sleeve on the dress and on the pattern a little bit. And then I made the regular collar also, but because I went with the snakeskin that is pleather, oh, the sewing with the pleather in this size and the gathering of the pleather in this size was not an easy feat. So let me show you my little girl that I'm so proud of. I was gonna make her a different outfit, and I probably will. But for right now, this is what she got. I bought some pleather leggings in the biggest size I could find at Walmart in the women's department. They were $3. We went back and got more, and we went back and got more, and I think we bought them a third time because they work out so well. The leg made leggings for Smart Dolls, and then this is basically the scraps. Then we had bought some snakeskin pleather, and I thought, well, this needs some trim, because I was putting it together, and I was going to cut out black, and I thought, boy, black on black's really cute, but hard to see. So I made her this dress, and I put Velcro all the way up the back, cut her a little belt, and this is what I made her. Darren prints these little shoes. He took the Blythe pattern, of which I love these shoes. He printed the Blythe shoes first, I think for
Your Ollie Blythe, I'm pretty sure.
Was it Ollie Blythe? I was thinking it was the registered trademark. Yeah. So it was the Ollie Blythe, then the registered trademark, and right now he is perfecting Wellie Wisher shoes. And he's done Makey and, oh my God, just all kinds of pull-up, because they have 3 different size feet, and yeah, on and on. So I love that. And then he printed this miniature American Girl stand with the American Girl logo, which I absolutely love. I keep saying, these dolls will stand, but when they fall, they fall. And the 18-inch, when they fall, they take everybody out there. And Jamie from Beyond the Doll Room just reminded me that when the 18-inch fall, they crash, and it is loud and startling. So thank you, Tina. Another fun, really fun collab, and I'm really glad to have her. And she's going to go out in the studio and stand next to my full-size Wednesday Addams American Girl. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like, a comment, subscribe, and watch for that pattern coming out on Dolls Rescued. We're also going to be putting up the now defunct Makey's Dolls pattern. Those are going up there. We just haven't had a time to breathe around here. We've been extremely busy. But those will be going up soon. They'll be offered free.
She almost needs a real snake for her belt.
Oh, wouldn't that be cute?
That'd be funny.